Is your Samsung washer showing an AC error code? This indicates a communication issue between the main and sub printed circuit boards, PBAs. Let's troubleshoot step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to address the problem or when to contact support. What does AC mean? The code signals a communication error between the main PBA and sub PBA, often caused by loose connections, damaged wiring, or faulty components. First, turn off the washer and restart the cycle. Switch off the appliance at the mains, wait 30 seconds, and then switch it back on. Restarting the cycle can clear temporary glitches and restore communication between the boards. Next, check the connectors. Inspect the wiring and connections between the main and sub PBAs for looseness, corrosion, or damage. Ensure all cables are securely plugged in. Refer to your manual for guidance on accessing these components. If the error persists, reset the washer again. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the system to fully discharge and recalibrate. This can resolve intermittent communication errors. Still stuck? Links for the user manual and customer support are available in the video description. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day.